Hi there. It's been a cold day across the UK with falling and in some places settling snow. Not everyone, of course, has seen the snow. It's been very showery across some northern and eastern parts of the UK. It's been more mixed in the far south. But here's how things played out since Wednesday evening. This shows where we've seen rain in blue, snow in white. And through Wednesday evening, we saw this feed of showers into the north and the east of Scotland, eastern England as well. Snow building up in places, a few centimetres here and there. Northern Ireland also seeing some wintry showers. But increasingly through the night, we saw this area of rain move up from the south, that mixed with the cold air, leading to increasingly snow, even at lower levels. Snow was reported across coastal parts of Devon, Cornwall, Dorset into Hampshire, for example, and inland we saw some settling snow, mainly above 100 metres or so, and some significant snow building up over Dartmoor through the day. But actually, increasingly, after the peak of the snow falling across southern counties of England, we saw it turn back to rain and sleet at lower levels, with increasingly that petering out through the rest of Thursday as low pressure pulls away. As that happens, the cloud increasingly thins out. Stays breezy for a time, but once the cloud disappears, the wind eventually eases. We'll see temperatures fall away, and so a risk of some icy patches where we've got some wet surfaces first thing Friday in the far south. Also, we'll continue to see a feed of showers into parts of Northern Ireland, some icy patches around here. Northern and eastern Scotland, eastern England, continuing to see some wintry showers, and again, some icy patches around here. But elsewhere, clear skies and some freezing fog developing apart parts of East Wales into northern England, the Midlands, for example, and this clump of low cloud also increasingly affecting the Midlands into parts of southeast England. So some gloomy skies by dawn on Friday, but also some clear skies and a widespread frost up and down the country. Temperatures in urban areas, -1, -2, -3 Celsius. In sheltered parts, especially where we've got some snow cover, temperatures below -5 Celsius. So watch out for those icy patches first thing, where we've got some slippery surfaces, but actually plenty of fine, dry, bright weather around on Friday morning. Yes, we'll have some freezing fog patches, central belts of Scotland, for example, East Wales, the Midlands, and in a few spots, they'll continue to persist into the afternoon. It's going to stay cold where that happens. And of course, it's going to be a cold day widely, whether you've got the freezing fog, whether you've got the low cloud across some of these central and southern parts, or whether you've got the crisp winter sunshine on the first day of December. Less windy in the south, largely dry. Continue to see some showers affecting eastern and northern coasts, but actually there'll be fewer compared with the last couple of days, and they'll be mainly consisting of rain, sleet, snow mix, lower levels, snow over hills. We'll also see some of these wintry showers feeding into western Scotland and Northern Ireland. But for many inland areas, actually, it's a dry day with sunny spells, but it is going to feel cold. Where we've got the sunshine, 2 to 5 Celsius. Where we'll keep the freezing fog, where we've got some snow cover, for example, temperatures struggling to make it above 0 Celsius. Then those temperatures fall widely once again on Friday night, a widespread frost developing, and again we'll see those freezing fog patches develop. Again, central Scotland, for example, East Wales into the Midlands, dense freezing fog patches developing, and again an area of low cloud quite widely through the Midlands into eastern and southern England. Some showers will feed into the west by the start of Saturday, and a nice risk where we see showers coming and going, and temperatures possibly in many places lower even compared with Friday morning. So a very cold start to the weekend. Light winds, plenty of sunshine around away from those areas where we've got freezing fog. But through the weekend, we're going to see a gradual return in some places of an Atlantic influence. But it is gradual, and it is mainly going to affect southern and southwestern parts. So through Saturday itself, that slight Atlantic influence will feed some showers into western areas through the day. These are mainly going to be falling as rain, perhaps sleet and hail at lower levels, snow confined to hills. Those showers mostly restricted to the far west on Saturday. Plenty of blue skies further east, aside from those areas where we keep freezing fog. And light winds, a perfectly pleasant winter's day. 0 to 3 Celsius in the east, a little milder towards the southwest because of the cloud and that showery rain returning. More of an Atlantic influence on Sunday in the south and southwest, a widespread frost elsewhere.